So first of all, good evening. Good evening.
Yes. Very good evening, ma'am. How are you today?
Yeah, yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking me. What about you? How is your day going on?
Yeah, as usual. Of course, I can't complain. Of course, everything is going well. So, yeah. So
Okay.
today,
So may I know about yourself? Even I know about you, but yeah, I want to know yourself for my viewers. Yeah. Would you like to introduce yourself?
yeah, definitely. So if I talk about myself, my name is Gyanan from UP in Lucknow. And if I talk about my work, as I work as a farmer, like I help my parents in my farm, like I have to do some farming work related with paddy crop and wheat crop, and also I have some animals. I just take care of them. So and you know very well that nowadays I'm working on YouTube, so I have a YouTube channel. I'm working here. So that is all
And
about me.
nowadays you are, yeah, nowadays you are tutor as well. Do you teach to students?
Yeah.
Last
So
time
yeah.
you told me.
Yes. So before joining, before taking this, like here, coming here, I was teaching, so I had to come here, leaving my all the students. I said, okay, you just practice here. I'm coming back after 15 or 20 minutes.
Okay. So how's your teaching going on?
Yeah, that's really fantastic. I never of course, I give them my ways, the way I have learned English. I just make them comfortable with this language. Now they are happy, they are able to speak. So there is no problem with them.
So how do you teach this type of method nowadays you are applying for, especially teaching? Because I'm guessing they all they want to learn this language, I mean English language. So you are teaching. So which type
Yeah,
of method are you applying, especially for teaching those
yes.
kids?
Hmm. See, since I'm not a teacher, so whatever I have observed, I just give them. First, I just examine them that okay, which type of problem they are facing. According to their problem, I just start their this English journey. So like first I like take like rapid fire round with them that okay, first I just decide that okay, what they are facing in this language. So I just give them that situation, and I don't tell anything. I just give them situation and structure, and I force them. I just make them practice. So now
Okay.
they are
In this
don't.
structure, first of all, you are trying to give them a structure, I mean sentence structure, and then you told them, please, you have to follow this structure.
Yes, structure and situation, that you
Okay,
have to
situation.
this structure as per this situation. Like of course,
Okay.
like if I talk about past any kind of situation. So for past we have like past tense. So I have made 9 situation. Apart from 9 situation, you don't you are, there is no any situation. So I give them structure and situation, and now they are able to their like position, state of being, action going on, and second form, everything. By this way they are able to speak their story. There is no problem at all with them.
Okay.
And I
And
also
for
motivate.
vocabulary, which type of method
Yeah,
do
of
you
course.
teach for expanding vocabulary? Because you know what vocabulary is also play really crucial role for learning this language. If you have a hands-on, I mean, vocabulary, so you can easily speak. You will never get stuck.
See, I don't make
Are
them
you agree?
comfort. I don't make them complicated this language. Of course, we have so much to learn. I don't tell at the same time that you have to learn so many things like advanced, like idiom, phrases, and advanced words and causative conditions. So many things. I don't tell them. I just say that okay, you just complete your basic, and now you are able to speak your basic. Your basic is strong. So of course, I will give you some words. I just give them day to day life like vocab which are used day to day life.
Daily using vocabulary. Nowadays, you are trying to share those students.
Yes,
Okay.
and I also tell them don't run after any advanced thing. I will tell advanced thing will come to
Yes.
you once you get perfect on this
Yes.
basic. Your basic is like advanced thing. Of course, when you are perfect in this, you are able to speak in front of anyone because you are a strong person. You have practice on it. You are not going to get stuck, or you are going to think that okay, what do I say, did or do? What is this? So you are not going to get stuck. Of course, you know very well. You have
I
practiced.
mean, nowadays you are trying to teach the first of all basic. You are trying to get good knowledge. I mean basics, and then in future you will learn like advanced whatever they want to learn. Nowadays you are trying to teach them
Hmm.
basic thing and plus vocabulary and
Yeah, I
something.
make them realize that yes, you are able to speak English. Of course, I just ask them to tell your daily routine. Of course, you have a small structure. By this way, you can tell your daily routine. You have a small structure to tell any third person daily routine. And future, you have to explain your like plan that okay, I will meet my friend. I will go to market. I will buy vegetable. You have future for future. You have this structure you can use. You just practice on it. And for practice for like if I talk about storytelling, so of course you have this structure. And if I talk about situational English, so where you are, you just explain your what is going on around you, like okay, I'm here and some person are standing there, they are doing something, they have been here for some long time. Everything I just tell them by situational.
Okay, so yeah, nowadays you are also perfect and you teach to your student in a well way, well mannered. So nowadays you are very good. So apart from this language, I mean you are okay. So apart from this language, which kind of new skill you want to learn? You want to learn any new skill, new hobby?
See, it's
I'm
really
asking to
for me to learn any new thing. So I never ever
yeah, whatever.
even of course I'm teaching here, but I never ever force myself that okay, Ganesh, you have to learn some advanced vocab, advanced idiom phrases. I never ever
I'm
force
not
myself.
asking about advanced. No. My question is that apart from this language, you want to learn any new skill, new hobby? Because
No,
now
no,
you're perfect, you're okay. Because
no. I
in future you want to do job. I mean, what you want to do in future? You have anything in your mind? Maybe you have. So apart from this language, you want to acquire, you want to learn any new skill. You can. I mean, you want.
yeah, of course. Like of course, with the help of this language, if I want, I can learn so many things. Of course, I can do because this language is really very popular all over the world. But I don't want to do anything special in my life. I wanted to do, but just because of some reason, I'm not going to try something for for myself.
Because you are okay. You have been learning this language last 2 to 3 years, if I'm not wrong. So now you're
Yes,
perfect, maybe. You have a
yes,
hands-on knowledge, you have a hands-on anything, you can easily speak. But yeah, this language is really important. But yeah, you have to learn some new thing, new skill, new hobby, whatever you want to acquire. Like if I give my example, so nowadays, I mean, it's not a big deal, but yeah, nowadays I'm learning how to use technology. It will definitely work for my professional life in future. I want to do job. Nowadays I'm also in between job. Nowadays I'm searching. Maybe I will find or not in upcoming months. So I'm thinking I should learn some new thing, new skill. I should try to handle with technology. Apart from technology, it's a other thing. I want to learn some. I mean riding. I have to do ride. I mean scooty, bike. I want to learn maybe upcoming this kind of thing. Any it
yes.
can be anything.
Correct. Because learning is every like we should learn because learning is really very important because when we learn something, so of course it's really very fun us and we can also do something by learning something.
Personal.
But
Yes,
just
yes.
because of some reason, I'm not going to learn anything because I know the condition and I know the environment where I am. So that is the reason. And I here there is no person. I know that we should not believe any person. We should not depend any person. However, like I don't know anything about what's going on outside and which type of courses are being done. I don't know anything about study. Yeah, if I talk about this language, so yeah, it was my dream. That is why I just completed, uh, and that too just because of this mobile. Otherwise, I would not be speaking here in English. Just
Your
because of
entire life will be changed after getting a mobile phone. I mean, this had, I mean, mobile phone.
yeah,
Yeah.
I
You are
took it.
using in a right way, in a productive way.
Hmm, I took
Yeah, please go
advantage
ahead, please.
of this smart mobile. That is why I'm able to speak. I didn't waste my time watching movies and listening song. Uh, like my friends, they just engross themselves in like playing game, listening song. But I didn't do that. And of course,
Yeah, you are using in a right way. I mean, you are doing great job, and you are nowadays speak very well. Few days back, maybe I shared this story. Few days back, I talked to the person, and he said to do, I want to talk with Gyan Chandra. I don't know you talk with that person or not. He was from maybe Delhi. He want to talk with you. So a lot of people they want to talk with you. Yeah, you are famous nowadays. Yeah,
Thank
quite
you.
famous. Yeah, so a lot of people they want to learn from yourself. They want to learn. They're admiring yourself. So you should
Yes, yes.
try to
Thank you.
do.
Thank you so much that for your compliment. Actually, I also feel pity on those person who don't have an environment to learn, who also want to speak in English, and some of them they have given up that oh it's really very complicated. I can't do this. I can't do this. I never ever complete my dream. I have given so many time. I just give up my hope that oh English is like not cup of tea for me. I'm not going to learn. But just because of this smartphone, I have learned, and I also tell all the people, so many beginners that of course you can also do the same. Just believe in yourself, and because you
Yeah.
are the person who can do something for you in your life. Nobody is going to
So
help you.
here, okay, okay. So here I am giving you a scenario. Suppose you are also from UP. I'm also from UP. I know about UP. So suppose I don't know about everything about UP, and you have to elaborate why have to come here, why I have to explore that place. I mean UP. You have to give me some example. I don't know. I'm from southern part. I don't know about anything. Why UP is famous places, whatever.
Yeah, of course, UP is a big state, so of course I never ever get chance to go outside to explore the cities, and there are so many cities comes in under the this UP state. But UP's state is really very like famous. It is known as a good as a big place, and there are so many famous places are here, heritages are here, and also the city called Lucknow, where I live. Eh, this is also this is very very famous, and it is known
The
as a.
capital of,
But
yeah, please go.
so of course it's really very hard for me to elaborate all the thing about UP state because
Whatever comes in your mind.
yes,
Yeah, whatever comes in your mind, you have to try to explain.
that is why I'm saying that UP state is a big state, and if I talk about, I never ever explored so many cities apart from my this Lucknow city, and my Lucknow city, I rarely get chance to visit. So I am busy in my life, and I rarely go out of my village. But UP is really very famous state. Here, so many people. You can find friendly people. You can find so many heritage places. You can find so many things, famous places. So, of course, you can come and visit. You feel good.
Yeah, I will definitely come to and visit so many of places. Yeah.
Even you. There.
So if you get, yeah, if you get a chance to visit any place in India, so which few place would you like to visit, especially in India?
See, I love like traveling. But since I never ever got chance to, so that is why now earlier I depended I was dependent to my parent that okay my parents will take out of anywhere so I will have fun and enjoy. But since I never ever gone, I never ever went anywhere. So now I think that it's really very difficult for me because if I go outside alone, so I have to take care of myself. I have to think so many things like I have to book hotel, I have to book tickets, I have to do all the things. But I don't want to depend, and like I want to depend someone else. So I suppose some of my friend want to go outside, so of course I can go. But if I talk about go alone, so it's not my cup of tea. It's really
Hypothetical situation. It's a hypothetical situation, not like that you have to go there. So it's a hypothetical. You have to choose like 2 to 3 places you want to explore in future. It can be any place.
yeah, of course I can go. Even I can go. I don't have a problem. Of course I can. I know like how to like visit any place. But you are not going to enjoy if you are going to alone. But if you are going with your family, if you, with your friends, and suppose you are going to love your your.
We will never feel bored if you go with our friends, family members. We will never feel bored. We can
Yes.
enjoy. Yes. So it's an advantage. If you will go alone, so we feel how we can manage the whole thing. I mean, tickets and hotel and our food. So it's a bit difficult.
Yeah, that is why. And if
So you
you
have
go,
to choose at least. You have to choose at least one or two places, na? Whatever comes in your mind. Like India is a big, uh, yeah. You have to choose at least one or two places. Like if you ask me, so of course I want to go like northeast pass, northeast. I want to explore Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya. I want to explore in future after getting a job. So you can just give some example. And southern part, I want to explore southern part because southern people has a open-minded thought process. I'm from UP and you are also from UP, and you know about UP people has a conservative thought process. They also think like that if you are a girl, if you are a boy, so you have to do this thing. You can't just you can't cross your boundaries. It's a boundaries you have to stick here. UP and Bihar people mostly think like that, but southern people they don't have this kind of mindset. No, I really love it, southern people. Yeah, I
yeah,
want to explore southern part and
we
northeast in my
we are.
bucket list.
Yes, that okay. If you go outside, so you have to face so many problem and this. So we have a fear. You know that is why girls have a fear. They like nowadays they are going outside. They have a confidence. They believe in themselves. So
Now
nowadays girls
situation is
have
getting
to go outside.
changing. Now situation is getting changing gradually. Yeah, so we are feeling good. But I'm especially talking about UP and Bihar people because I'm from UP. I know about situation. I know about the ground reality
Yes,
from my
yes,
place. Yeah, I'm
yeah,
also coming from village, but now I live here, Ghaziabad.
yeah.
My
Still,
hometown.
in village area, still you can find the same traditional. Girls are not allowed to go outside. You know, even they are not sent to college. They just say that okay, now you have completed your 12th and 8th standard. You are now you just learn how's your work. You don't need to study
Yeah,
further because I know in village area you can find there are few person there are less person are educated. That is why they have like a stereotype of mindset. So
yes, yeah,
they
stereotype.
don't their daughter and any wife to go further and do something. So here there are so many women are educated, but they are doing household work. Now
You have a good knowledge.
no, I can't
We
accept
always
this.
admire. We always admire. We always try to admire if we have a knowledge. So I'm trying to admire that person.
There are so many problems. I know because we are not foreigner. We are observing this language. So this language is really very stranger for us. So we can
Yeah,
figure out the mistake. We can learn. We can improve our this thing. Of course, definitely.
yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So
Oh my.
okay, okay, bye bye. Yes, it was really nice conversation with you. In future, I will try to
Okay.
come
Thank you.
with you. Okay,
Okay.
yeah,
Bye.
bye bye. Have a great day. Take care.
You too.